there. I want to tell you about my daily habits while I've been traveling. So I'm visiting my parents for 10 days, and here's a sample of how my day looks. My habits are slightly different because I'm traveling. But I've been going to the gym with my parents. Went this morning, started off the day really early because they get up way earlier than me, and I needed some Motivate. Put that on the back of my neck to be up and ready to move my body. Then I brushed my teeth with some On Guard toothpaste, and I am ready to go out the door, except I need my Doug Fir and Greek Orange deodorant. Works great. So then I'm at the gym, I do my thing, it's awesome. I drink my water that has, this morning it had lemon in it because that helps me detox. And you know, we need that all the time. Just a little gentle detox. Plus it tastes very refreshing when you're moving your body. Or green mandarin. That just makes me love my water. I've been drinking a lot of green mandarin and sparkling water lately. Love it. Do it daily, at least once. Then getting home from the gym. I have yet to do this today, but I'm going to use my little samples of shampoo and conditioner, and this is really awesome to have when I'm traveling. It just packs away so easily. And then I wash my face. Rather than bringing my whole facial care system with me, I like to pack really light. I have just been using Melaleuca for my face and my skin. Just a cotton ball, some Melaleuca, and cleaning things off there. I would use a little frankincense after the fact, but I have a friend here who has been experiencing vertigo, and it just had a little frank left in my bottle. I gave it to him. So hopefully that's helping. Then after using that shampoo and conditioner, I use the root to tip serum in my hair. It makes my hair nice and shiny and healthy looking. It just really nourishes and moisturizes my hair, and it smells so good. It's got just a delightful, what are the oils in here? There's a little bit of lime, I think, maybe some peppermint. I love it. And then sometimes I do this before I go to the gym. Sometimes I do it after. Sometimes I do both. But I use a little deep blue rub on any muscles that maybe are going to feel a little sore later. And also for the bursitis I've been having in my shoulder. I've been using the Deep Blue and Aroma Touch. Aroma Touch is the massage blend, and it's got a lot of oils in it that are great for muscle pain. Cypress in particular is really good for muscle pain. Peppermint, marjoram is amazing. It's a muscle relaxant. And then basil, grapefruit, and lavender. I love Aroma Touch. It's one of my very, very favorite oils. I sometimes even diffuse it because it smells so good. My fancy way that I pack my oil, my supplements. Super fancy. I've got my Lifelong Vitality Trio in there. I've got my Mito 2 Max, which is giving me energy. I took those right away this morning too after I put on the Motivate. I've got my Terrazyme digestive enzymes, and then I've got my PB Assist, which is a probiotic, which I am taking daily right now, just to give my system a little extra. I've been using my Clary Calm monthly blend for women. I have been using it, I've started just using it every day. It helps just keep hormones balanced throughout my cycle, wherever I'm at. I used a little of the Correct X on my lips. I was feeling, especially after an airplane ride, I feel so dried out. And it just helps nourish, moisturize. Oh, again, after being on an airplane, On Guard beadlets, for sure. Plus, I've got some family members who are sick, so I'm just popping these little On Guard beadlets all the time. Neroli, I've been wearing just because it makes me happy. No other reason than that. I love the smell. One day while I was here, I had a headache, and I rubbed a little peppermint along my head. Totally took care of it. And then at night, I have been using Serenity. I've been rubbing it in my hands and just breathing it in. And when my husband was here and snoring a lot, I would just open up my Breathe and put it kind of under his nose, have him put a little bit in his hands, and that helped him sleep without snoring so much and me sleep without him snoring so much. So that's been my travel routine. All kinds of oils all day long, and I'm feeling good.